Cooking brings us closer, a family feast in the making. Picture this, a cozy kitchen filled with warmth, laughter, and delicious aromas. Today we're inviting you into a heartwarming scene where a family creates magic with fresh ingredients and love. Let's see how cooking together turns into cherished memories. Dad expertly chops vibrant tomatoes and crisp bell peppers, filling the cutting board with a rainbow of colors. Over at the stove, Mom stirs a bubbling pot of soup, sending comforting steam into the air. Their teamwork sets the tone for a wholesome family feast. Meanwhile, the kids are on a dough-rolling adventure. One spreads gooey cheese and colorful toppings on a homemade pizza crust while giggling uncontrollably. Right next to them, their sibling tosses a vibrant, refreshing salad in a wooden bowl, adding their personal touch to the family meal. The countertop is a delightful mess, with flour, fresh herbs, and spices scattered everywhere. Laughter fills the room as the family celebrates the joy of cooking together. It's not just about the food, it's about the connection, creativity, and love shared around the kitchen. Now it's your time to bring the magic of cooking into your home. Grab your favorite recipes, gather your loved ones, and turn your kitchen into a place of love and laughter. Follow us for more inspiring family cooking ideas and start creating your own unforgettable moments today.